So I've sort of been on a journey to find more wearable bags, sell bags that are not as wearable for me. And as part of that journey, I evaluated my pink bag collection. And I'm not talking about hot pink. I've got some hot pink bags. I've got my Mulberry Mini Alexa in Mulberry Pink. And I also have my Rose B20. Hang on, I just did the other video about my other new bag and I got really thirsty. And in that video, I talked about my New Wave chain bag in Rose Ballerine and how I was going to sell it. But I didn't tell you why, and the reason why is I'm just not reaching for it. I do have to be a little bit strategic in terms of how I pack it, and I've got a lot of other pink bags. That's the main thing. It's not so much the bag's fault, it's that I bought too many pink bags, or I was given a pink bag as well. So that's part of the reason why this one is for sale. If it hasn't sold yet when I post this video, I paid $2,200 for it. I'm going to sell it for $1,800, or I may end up selling it to Fashion File. I have a quote from them. So if I do sell it to Fashion File, I'll probably take a store credit and find something good at a really big discount. And that kind of makes up for the price that they will give me, because they have really good prices right now. And so if they don't give me quite as much, but I get a really good deal, it kind of all is a wash. A couple other pink bags that I have in my collection that are going nowhere are my collage bag. And I think this is in the Rose Poudre. Don't hold me to that, but it's a beautiful pale pink with kind of an antique ruthenium silver hardware. And I love the collage bag. I have 4 of them. That's my number. I don't want more than that. I do see them from time to time for amazing deals. There's a red one on Yugi's Closet right now that's an absolute steal. But I have my 4. I have this one in Sharon Blue, one in Rose Lesion, and one in Seaweed Green. And so that's my collage collection. But I love this pink, and I plan on keeping it forevermore, or at least for as forevermore as you can get here in my closet. The collage is just a very wearable bag, as is the Paris 15 by Dress Up Your Purse. And Julie and I were talking about the Paris 15 bags, and I was telling her I have so many bags right now. And she said, well, you could condense your Paris 15 collection and not have as many. And I said, but there's none I want to get rid of. I mean, if I got rid of one, it might be this one. I mean, if I got rid of one, it could be this one, but I love it. It's such a beautiful, powdery, perfect pink, PPPP, with a darker pink accent color, and I think it's just absolutely stunning. So I don't want to get rid of this one, and this one is so carefree. Not only is it the Togo leather, but the price point's also so much friendlier than some of these other bags have. But between the New Wave bag and this bag, I decided that this bag was the way I wanted to go and the bag I wanted to keep. It's got more of a corally undertone to it as compared to the New Wave bag. And I have an extra strap that I bought for this bag that makes it crossbody, because of course the long strap that comes with it, it's not a crossbody strap, it's just a shoulder strap, and I am a crossbody girl. So I got this crossbody strap from an eBay seller and then had it authenticated when it got here to the States, and I think it's really cute. Now the FFs are pale pink, they're a little lighter pink than this. I think this is Rosa Bourbon and these are Rosa Quartz, but same color, just darker on the bag. And I love this combo, but I always thought that I wanted the skinny strap to go with it instead of the thick strap. Hence the unboxing. I've got an unbagging, and this is probably going to be returned. I got this from Liz Sonnen Bags. I saw she was doing a live on Instagram the other day, and I looked at her inventory, and voila, she had what I thought was that exact same strap with the pink and the brown in the skinny size, and it was an amazing price, and she negotiated with me a little bit, which made the price even more amazing. And so here we go, and you may notice that it is a dark brown. So here is the difference. If this strap was this color, like I thought it was with the pictures, then there would be no question that I would probably go ahead and sell this strap and keep this one. But as it is, It is just not quite as me in terms of the colorway, because I have so many shoes that are in this color or close to it, this brown color. And I have like none in this brown color. Let me try this one on real quick for you and I can show you how it looks. And honestly, I didn't think I would, but I may like the fatter strap a little better than I like the skinny strap. And I didn't know because I've never been to a Fendi to try one of these on. I got my bag from Meredith with Living Luxe with Meredith, and it was in brand new condition, and I got a great deal. And I think this strap retails for $920 and I got it for less than $400. So it was an amazing deal. So there it is with the skinny strap. It looks really nice, but again, it's more the shoe situation for me, not having the dark brown on this side. I mean, I know it's sort of the same color as this brown, but this fatter strap, there's less contrast between the FFs and the brown, and it works in a third color. It works in the camel shade with the dark brown, instead of basically having the dark brown be the same color or almost the same color as the jacquard. So again, this strap, I got it for around $400. I got it authenticated. It came from Liz Sonnen Bags, an Instagram seller. Came beautifully packaged, and she does let you return things. You do have to pay 10% to send it back. And so I will have to pay some to return this, but likely it's a way better deal for me to return it and incur that 10% fee than it would be to try to sell it on my own. With these Fendi straps, you really have to have the right color bag to even want this. And so it's kind of like having a shirt that's a small, and so you limited your market a little bit, if that makes any sense. But Liz Sonnen Bags does have really cute packaging. It came in a nice box, and then it was inside of this bag, and I plan on working with them again. I actually submitted my new wave bag to them to see if they might want to buy it, as well as to Fashion File. So we'll just have to see what happens. But for now, I shouldn't have had a wandering eye. This one works great. Now I know. I really didn't know that I would like the fatter style just as well as the skinnier style with this baguette. But I think I do. I think I like this better. I think I even like the width of it better, and the color is better. I thought that the one I was getting was the same color and I was going to be so happy and I would sell this for hopefully the same amount that I paid for that one. But things just don't work out that way sometimes, and luckily the place I bought it from will accept a return, and I do plan on buying from them again in the future, so I will link them down below. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.